going to learn something new. First lesson. First poem is done. Now we are going to learn the first lesson. What is the name of the lesson in English? Wonderful waste. Wonderful waste. And sometimes in vegetables and fruits, we can use that waste also in some other kind. Here, this lesson is totally about wonderful waste. Let's see. Let's start the lesson. Once, the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for a feast. Everyone, look at the board. Who is he and who is he? He is the Maharaja, the king, the Maharaja of Travancore, and he is a cook. What is this? What's happening? Actually, Maharaja is going to give a dinner, a party, and he ordered to cook, and he wanted to check what he is preparing in the kitchen. He wanted to check, and he entered into the kitchen, and he is watching everything, that what he is preparing, what are the special dishes that he is going to serve. He is going to check. Our Maharaja is going to check all the dishes. At that time, what happened? He is checking all the dishes, and he has seen some waste. That means after cutting the vegetables, there will be some waste. Look at here. What is this? Banana. Banana, do we cook as it is? No. Correct? But we will not cook this as it is. We will cut it. We will cut this part. This part we will peel out, then we will cook. In the same manner, what is this? Carrot. Correct. This is carrot. And this is brinjal. We will cut this part, correct? And here we will cut this part. We will throw it as a waste. Here Maharaja is telling, he is ordering to the cook, now you have to prepare. You should not waste anything on this earth. Now we are cutting the vegetables. That waste also should be useful to you. You think and you prepare some curry with that. And he's turned, because what can we do with the waste? What can we do? And let's see what is here. What are you going to do with this? Maharaja asked, what are you going to do with this vegetable scraps? He said, this cook said, pointing to the basket of the scraps near the cook. The cook replied, they were waste. We will throw them away. The cook said, sir, that is waste. I am going to throw it away. What he is going to throw? The scrap, the waste coming out from the vegetables. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Think a way to use them. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. That means he strictly said, you should not waste anything. You have to use, you have to think and you have to use that waste. There will be a manner, in useful manner. We have to use it in a good manner. And the cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Suddenly, Arey, what can I do with the waste? What can I do? Why he said like that? He is thinking. He is confused. Arey, what should I do? What can I do with the waste? If I cut this vegetable, this waste will come out. What can I do with this waste? He is thinking. An idea flashed across his mind. He took all the vegetables a bit and washed it and cleaned them well. First of all, he took all the waste and he cleaned them well. Then he cut into the large strips. What he did, okay, whatever the waste has come, that waste, all the waste, he cut into large strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on a fire to cook. He took all the waste and he kept all those vegetables in a pot and poured it on it and fired it on. And the fire to cook, that means he took all the waste and he is going to cook the waste and he put it on the fire. Next, okay, he started cooking with the waste. First of all, he has kept all the waste in that pot, and next what he did, he ground some fresh coconut oil, some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic. What he grind? Coconut, green chilies and some garlic. Coconut, you know? Coconut and green chilies. This is a green chili. He has got some coconut, green chili and garlic. These three items he ground and that paste he added, and some salt he added to the. Without salt we cannot eat, we cannot cook any dish, correct? He added some salt, and a tempting smell started coming from the pot. When he has added these three items to the scraps, nice smell is coming, a tempting smell. Now he whipped some curd and added to the curry, and he also poured a few spoons of coconut oil and decorated the dishes with the curry leaves. At last what he did, first of all he has added these, first of all scraps he has added, next he has added coconut, green chili, garlic paste. Smell started coming, and afterwards what he did, he has added some curd. You know curd, we eat right every day. Some curd he has added, and he decorated with the curry leaves. Actually, in our curries we decorate with kothmeer with you know kothmeer. Okay, that kothmeer we had, right? Here he decorated with curry leaves. And lo and behold, the new dish is ready. He was surprised. The king was surprised to see the new dish. The cook served this dish to all the guests in the evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the dish. Okay, whatever he has cooked, he has served to everyone, to the guests, all the guests, everyone. They are eating happily, but they don't know the name. They were eager to know the name. Then a name came to the mind. Okay, everyone is asking, what is the name of this dish? What is the name of this dish? Then he created the name of his own, that is called as avial. Avial. Have you ever heard this name, avial? Yes, it is very famous in Kerala, and this is the story behind the avial. That means we should not throw the waste, and here with the waste also we can prepare some curry. Avial became a famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in traditional Kerala feast. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. We have to imagine, whenever you hear the avial, you have to imagine, and one thing should come to in your mind, that is, this is made of waste. Wonderful waste. Understood? Have you understood the lesson about avial? A wonderful waste. Okay, get ready for the tomorrow session, and I hope you understood. Bye bye.